Hey, it's me, I feel like shit on my own. Listen, I'm sorry, I blew up your phone. Are you free next week? I'm hella alone. Was it me? Was it you? Was there some kind of undertone?
Go to Prague.
Yeah, but no.
That is fine.
Yeah.
Everyone said that is fine. No?
There are apple trees in Korea?
Oh, I don't know. I've never seen before.
No, I've never seen.
Is it funny?
Hey, come. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh! 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 Are you okay? Why is it? I can turn the flash on with the video.
Oh yeah, I'm petite. I don't.
Maybe,
reach
but
it.
in this,
One.
is it funny?
Thank you. Hola, wait. Hola.
Oh, here. The red one. Is it nice?
Okay.
No, that's okay.
And like when you say I'm the one, so easy to love. Yeah, easy to love. Yeah, it's so easy to love. And I like when you say I'm the one, so easy to love. Yeah, easy to love. Yeah. can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking, baby, could you help me cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promised you that I would do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, just so busy in love.
Okay.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh.
I'm getting fish. Do we have
something about you. I mean, just something very short. And what is your passion? Just something.
Okay, so I'm 21 years old, and my passion is horse riding.
Okay. Okay.
Byl vyhlášen požární poplach. Prosím, opusťte budovu. The fire alarm was alerted. Please leave the building.
Now I know why you're not doing it when you're older.
Let's go, Tom.
Come on, Tom! Also gut.
You think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that, I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah, don't you be like that, I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you
Anyway, because